Dear parents and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important 7th class science chapter number L1 exercise question answers, that is transportation in animals and plants. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವಾದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ಲೈಕನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೂ ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Chapter number L1 Transportation in Animals and Plants. Exercise question answers. Main question number 1. Match the structures given in column first with functions given column 2. Column first, column 2. Column 1 stomata, xylem, root hairs, phloem. Column 2 absorption of water, transpiration, transport of food, transport of water, synthesis of carbohydrate. Matches the column A with column B. Stomata, transpiration, xylem, transport of water, root hairs, absorption of water, phloem, transport of food. Main question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by dash. The blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by the arteries. Second one, hemoglobin is present in dash cells. Hemoglobin is present in the RBC cells, red blood cells. Third one, arteries and veins are joined by a network of dash. Arteries and veins are joined by the network of capillaries. Fourth one, the rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called dash. Heartbeat. The main excretory product in human beings is the main excretory product in human being is urea. Sweet contains water and dash. Sweet contains water and salts. Next one, kidneys eliminate the waste material in the liquid form called urine. Eighth one, water reaches great heights in the trees because of suction pull caused by transpiration. Main question number 3, choose the correct options. First one, in plants water is transported through option A xylem, option B phloem, option C stomata, option 4 root hair. Right answer, xylem. Next question, water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the plants. First option, in the shade. Second one, in dim light. Third one, under the pan. Fourth one, covered with a polythene bags. Right answer, under the pan. Question number 4. Why is transport of materials necessary in a plant or an animal? Explain. Transport of materials is necessary for plants or animals because due to it the nutrients and oxygen are made available to all the parts of the body. If the transport of necessary nutrients and oxygen does not take place in the body will not be able to survive. Question number 5. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? Right answers. The blood platelets are responsible for the clotting of the blood. When some injury occurs, blood starts flowing, but it clots on its own. If there are no platelets, the blood will not be able to clot and keep on flowing. Huge loss of blood ultimately cause death. Question number 6. What are stomata? Give two junctions of stomata. There are small openings on the lower surface of the leaves. These pores are called stomata. These openings are surrounded with guard cells. Functions of stomata. It helps in the transpiration of water, that is, loss of excess of water from the plant. Loss of water from the stomata creates an upward pull, that is, suction pulls, which helps in absorption of water from the roots. They helps in exchange of gases. Question number 7. Does transpiration serve any useful function in plants? Explain. Right answer. It helps to enhance the absorption of water and dissolved minerals by creation of a suction pull. It helps in getting rid of the excess water. Third one, it helps in transport of water and minerals to leaves, and leaves use the water for photosynthesis. Fourth one, it produces a cooling effect on the plant. Question number 8. What are the components of blood? There are 4 components of blood. First one, plasma is a liquid part of the blood which is yellowish in color and contain 90% water. It contains food, enzymes, wastes and protein, etc. Second one, RBC, red blood cells, are disc-shaped cells containing red colored pigment called hemoglobin in it. Hemoglobin helps in transportation of oxygen. WBC, white blood cells, are the fighting cells which protect us against bacteria and foreign materials causing infections. Fourth one, platelets helps in clotting of the blood. Question number 9. Why is blood needed by all the parts of a body? Right answer. Blood is needed by all the parts because it contains the digested food and oxygen in it. It supplies the oxygen and digested food to various parts of the body to provide essential energy to them, which helps the body to perform various functions. Question number 10. What makes the blood look red? A red pigment called hemoglobin gives the blood its red colors. This pigment helps in carrying oxygen to various parts of the body by blood. Question number L1. Describe the function of heart. The right articles and ventricles receive blood with carbon dioxide from all parts of the body. The collected blood is then pumped to the lungs for the purification. In the lungs, the exchange of gases takes place and purified blood is sent back to left article. It pumps it to the left ventricle, which in turn pumps up the purified blood to all parts of the body through arteries. Question number 12. Why is it necessary to excrete waste products? In certain waste and toxic products are formed during functioning of body cells. The waste product like urea etc. are toxic. When these toxic materials are not removed from the body, they get mixed with blood and can damage the cells of body. It is necessary to remove such poisonous waste materials from our body. Question number 13. Draw a diagram of the human excretory system and label the various parts. Kidney, renal veins, renal artery, ureter, uretary bladder, urethra, uretary opening. Human excretory system parts. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter exercise question answer, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.